Today, our topic is reading maps of different kinds. Map is a representation of the Earth's surface. So we cannot show real features on the map. So on Earth's surface, we can find different land masses. Okay, so many variations are there on the surface of the land, like mountains, hills, sea coasts, deserts, forests, like so many variations are there on the land mass. So at the time of formation of Earth, so Earth surface formed unevenly, like mountains, deserts, low areas. Okay, so we use maps to show the features of the land like rainfall, soil types, population, language, speaking, okay, and crops grown, markets, schools. So like that, to show all these features, we use different maps. Already I said, we cannot show real features like houses, trees, how hot, how much rains. We cannot show these features on the map. Okay, maps are different kinds. Already you know that. Okay, so some maps tells us about how high or low the places are. Some tells us about how much it rains. There are how hot or cold it gets. Okay, some maps we use to explain about the soils, and some maps we use to explain about forests or population. Okay, so we use different maps to explain different things, different features. So you can observe here types of maps. Many different maps are there, okay, for different information. So some are political maps, physical maps, thematic maps, topographic maps. So these are different maps. So political maps explain about the nations, okay, and continents, and in the nations about the countries, boundaries of the countries, okay, and features of the country, clear the area of the country, like that. So political map explain the districts, cities, towns, like that, and those are shown in a different colors. That is called political map. Next, physical maps. Physical maps explain the land masses on the earth. Physical features, different land masses on the earth, like mountains, deserts. Okay. Next, thematic maps. Those explain about the changes. Okay. Next, topographic map. Topographic map explain about the land records, different lands. Okay, so like that, we use different maps for different information. Clear? You can observe here all the maps showed with different colors. So here clearly given 5 types of maps: isoline, dot maps. Okay, next, to use this maps, to explain about maps, we use symbols. We use different symbols. Already I said physical objects we cannot show on the map. To show the physical object on the map, we use some symbols. That is very important. So symbols are different. We use symbols to show the physical objects on the maps. Okay. So here see the symbols. Different symbols are there for different purpose. Example, map key. So mountains, we are showing like this. Triangle shape and height, highest elevation. Rivers, we show like a small line. We draw line to show the rivers. Capitals or cities, we show with dot. Okay, towns and highways, railway tracks, airport, national parks. So for every object, we have a one symbol. So we use those symbols to show those physical objects on the map. Okay. So if you want to show post office, so we show like this. So if you observe this symbol on the map, means there is a post office is there. Next, to show church or hospital, police, temple, hotel. So it's the time of map making. Our map makers introduce some symbols to show physical objects on the map. Okay, this is road, park, okay, fire station, to show all those different symbols are there. Clear? So next, today we are going to discuss about physical maps. So physical maps means we show the different land masses on the map, okay, with different colors. We use different colors to show the different physical objects, physical land masses on the map. Example, green, yellow, brown, like that. Okay, so we for mountains we use brown color, for fields we use green. Okay, like that we use different colors to show the different objects, physical object on the map. You can observe here. So example, here we have taken Nampur village. So Nampur village is situated in the near the mount hills, near the hills and beside the river area. So to show Nampur village on the map, we are using different colors. So it is a real picture. Actually, it is not a map. Okay, we cannot show these physical features on the map. Here, these are the fields. So shown in the green color, houses, and there is a temple on the hill area in a certain height. Okay, some trees are there. So some canal is flowing. Okay, river or canal or river is flowing, and this river is merging in the ocean. This is the physical picture of the Nampur village. So this total physical features we cannot show as it is on the map. Okay, but how we show these maps on the features on the map, that is more important. So if you want to show height of the mountain on the map, so first of all we have to find the height of the land, measuring height on land. So all heights are on the land are calculated from the sea level. So already we have discussed that the surface of the land is not even, not plane, it is uneven. So that's why to measure the height of the land, so we use sea level. Why? Because all the seas are interlinked. All the seas on the earth surface are interlinked. That's why the level of the height is equal on the earth. Okay, all the seas in the world are connected to each other. That's why the sea level all over the world is taken to be roughly the same, okay? Same height. Clear? So first of all, you have to measure the height of the land, then we can show those heights on the map with the different colors or different shapes. So example, here if you take the Rampur village, So in Rampur village, when you compare with sea level, so Rampur village located in a some height, and a temple is situated on the mountain. So these are having different heights. First of all, you have to measure the height. So you can observe here, this is the ocean taken 0 height. From here, the Nampur village is located in 50 meters height. Okay. So next, another one is temple is located in 100 meters height. So the top of the hill is 150 meters from sea level. Here we can find, observe that different heights are there. Different heights are there. First of all, you have to measure and draw the line. Okay, so 50 meters height. Here, all the villages which are lies on this line are equal heights. So like that, first of all, to show the heights on the map, you have to measure the height of the lands. Next, showing heights on the map. So how to show? So here you can observe in this picture 3 circles. Shows 3 height zones or 3 circles. One is colored with green, brown, okay, and light pink color. Okay, so firstly, areas which are between 0 meter to 50 meters taken 1 color and 1 height. So the areas which are between 51 to 100 meters taken another color, and finally 101 to 150 meters. So any place which falls in the horizontal zones between 51 to 100 meters will have a same height, and above 50 meters height and below the 100 meters height. And these heights are shown in different shades. Clear? So now to show the physical features on the map, we are using different colors and circles. Okay, we cannot show exact height on the map. So sometimes we use the different colors and we use circles. Clear? So for different purpose, we use different maps also. For example, to show heights, we are taking this map, and if you want to show different crops, so we take another map to show the different fields on the map. So sometimes we use different symbols also. Clear? Like that, we can explain physical features on the map. So all the heights we calculate from sea level. First of all, you have to understand why you are taking sea level as base. So all the seas, oceans are connected each other. So that's why we can assume that the top of the sea level is same. That's why we try to measure height of the land from the sea level. Clear? So next part we'll discuss in the next class.